In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a little trick that you can do using Notion's synced block feature. Sometimes you might want to create little navigation menus or sort of a set of links that you can quickly access wherever you are in your dashboard. Normally, these have been built using the / link to page block. So if I click / link to page, then I can create links to certain things in my workspace and navigate quite quickly to them. This has quite a nice aesthetic appeal, which I've been using in my personal dashboard. But if you wanted to create something that was consistent and updated every time that you made changes to the navigation on multiple pages without you having to go to all of those different individual pages and updating them, then use the synced block. The difference between these two menus is small but mighty. As you can see, the links are the same: projects, areas, resources, and learn. But when I hover over this, I get this red outline. So what is this? If I click this block and it gives me a bunch of different new settings, it's basically a synced block. So if I click sync, then this will sync the content across multiple pages. This can be quite good for other things, and the common use case is for any kind of text which you might want to have in multiple locations and never want to update over and over again, or a database that everyone's going to need on multiple pages. Creating the navigation is pretty straightforward. If you create a new block and type sync, then you'll get the synced block. You can then add emojis or however you want to do this to pretty your navigation up. I'm going to add an emoji, and then type projects. If I double click projects and click link, then I can search for the page that I want to link to, which will be my projects. I've now created a link which is staying in this sync block. Now, wherever I go and copy this, so Command C, let's go to my projects page and paste it here. Any changes I make here, like adding areas, will be visible on all the other pages. The sync block basically makes your life a lot easier as you start to build reusable elements of your Notion workspace. While it's totally fine to navigate using this sidebar, it does just save you an extra couple clicks to have a navigation in your major areas, projects, resources, so that you can get around your workspace a little bit quicker.